Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Monday morning? It is the 4th day of November. Time as I make this is 4:05 a.m. Temperature is a very warm 67 degrees, and there are clouds above me. It is mostly cloudy this morning. I think we could see some partial sunshine before this day is out, much like the last few days where there has been a sun and cloud mix. All right, we had 86 yesterday, and I think we're going to be at least around 83 today. The winds are going to start to pick up. Winds will be a factor, gusting as high as 20, maybe a little higher than 20 miles per hour today, and certainly on election day tomorrow as well. Now, here's the other thing. The risk of showers will be returning to the forecast this week, but I want to be very clear about this. Even though the risk of showers begins late Tuesday night into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I mean, that sounds good, right? I said the risk of showers. So in other words, I'm going to express a lot of uncertainties here. The rainfall probabilities will be relatively small. We will get some leftover showers from a system in the middle of the country that will drift into our area, but will tend to lessen as it gets closer to us. I hope I'm being clear about that. So I think some of us by the end of the week will be a little disappointed. I can hear some of you saying, I thought you said it was going to rain this week. And that may be some of the comments I hear at the end of the week. All right, so here's the other thing. So the risk of showers returning, but what about that system that's going to become Rafael? It'll become Rafael, I think, later today. It's out in the Western Caribbean right now, approaching the Gulf of Mexico on Wednesday as probably a Hurricane Rafael. All right, and then into the Gulf of Mexico, the Eastern Gulf of Mexico. But what happens after that? It appears that this system, according to the National Hurricane Center, and moving northward towards the northern Gulf Coast, that would be us, may start to weaken a little bit because of wind shear as late in the week. All right, so this is a situation we don't know where it's going to end up. There's a great deal of uncertainty. This is a situation where we would want Rafael. You know, follow me? We want the rain from Rafael. So let's keep our fingers crossed that we will get at least some beneficial rains from this tropical system. But believe me when I tell you, the jury is all out on that. And then there's another area to watch north of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola as well. That one has a small chance of development. All right, so there's a lot of things going on this week, and I'm not talking about just the election. We'll keep you up to date as best as I can. Sorry for the uncertainties. This morning, everything is normal, including live on the radio 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. We'll be back here before the polls open tomorrow morning, standing here in the dark in the 4 o'clock hours with your forecast discussion, which is what this is, and the blog update with all the graphics and great information down below. You're going to see the spaghetti models all pointing towards the northern Gulf Coast, but some are all over the place. We'll see what happens with this tropical system. All right, you're up to date. Have a great day today, and I'll see you later. Stay on top of all the weather, including the tropics, with our free weather app. Hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, instant push notifications for severe weather alerts, radar, future radar, and hopefully there's going to be need for radar this week. Hopefully we're going to get some beneficial rain. Plus you'll get all my posts as well on the weather app. All you have to do is go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.